Hey guys, again, thanks for being here. And again, that's a trade recap. Hell yeah. It will be pretty simple and fast. So let's get it. That's an hourly chart, and going into the trading day, my initial plan was looking for shorts. Pretty simple logic, since we do have these lows here, so that's a really nice liquidity target, as well as these lows right here. It's also a decent liquidity target for short position. So yeah, that was my initial logic. And on the lower time frame, this is still an hourly chart, and also as you can see on the early 1 hour chart here, there is nice imbalance, the break of structure right here, which is pretty bearish. But we do have a little price pocket right here with the bullish gap. So there's still a chance for some long position as well. Right off the open, I was looking for a manipulation up right into this fair value gap that we left somewhere in the morning before New York session opened, or right at the open. And just want to show you these guys. So like, I don't know if you can actually see, but these candles wick right here, that goes all the way up to 6,855.50. This week right here has exactly the same high. So I was waiting until this high being violated for a short position. Yeah, and that was my short entry right up here. So this is just by a tiny bit tick up. That's what I entered shorts, with the stop loss just right above here, and I got stopped out. And just looking back into the trade, what I can do better, if I waited for the next candle again, for the next candle to close below the previous one at my point of interest in order to enter, I wouldn't enter at all at this point, basically. Because you can see, like, right off from this candle, once we tapped into that, there basically like no candle closes, no candle closure below the previous one. Anyway, so this bearish structure being violated, and I'm like, all right, if we went path through it on the retest, that's a long, because the bearish structure doesn't hold. And that's my long entry right here. Once we inversed our bearish fair value gap, here's in the 5 minute, here's in the 1 minute, and retested, I entered long with the target right up here, and we ended up playing really nicely. And yeah, the market kind of, you can see like we chop around the same area, bounce a couple times, and the market went lower. So yeah, so that's basically my trade ideas for the day. Money wise, it's just a humble $19, but still with one win and one lose, I'm net profit. So again, that's a pretty good thing. And one more add on, for my future studies. As you can see right here, is pretty clean level though too. We didn't close above the previous the previous swing high, but we went through with the wicks. So right here, that should be really nice short opportunities, which I've missed because I've been just holding my long position. That was my second trade of the day, so I didn't pay enough attention to that, but I have to. Yeah, so just for the future me, that should be really nice entry for shorts, which I'll go over in my journal today too. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for being here. Peace. Have a good day.